Hi, I'm Paul here with MarineMax of Houston, and I talk a lot about multi-use boats. We've got a multi-use boat here you can actually put in your garage, most garages anyway. This is a 17 Montauk by Boston Whaler. Boston Whaler is the safest, most durable boat you can own, and they make some smaller versions that are just awesome. This 17 has been one of our best sellers for many, many years. And I want to show you some of the cool features this particular one has. You'll notice we have some rod holders in the back. We ordered this boat with the fishing package, so we've got some built-in storage for tackle and rod holders. But when you're not fishing, we've got another cool feature about this boat. We've got a nice backrest that you can stick in back here. And we've got a removable seat cushion, so if you want the extra space for fishing, you can actually take these out. We've got a nice, what we call flip-flop helm. That means you can face forward or aft and even use it for a leaning post if you want to. And here's a 17-foot boat that's actually rated for 7 people. Once again, Whaler's extra flotation helps them get there. This one's equipped with a nice stereo system. Got a Simrad GPS fish finder. Moving forward, we're going to look and see that we have more rod holders in the front. A really nice cooler. Now this cooler seat's actually removable. And this one we optioned out with the front cushions. And these are actually removable, exposing the fish box and anchor storage underneath. We ordered this one with the trolling motor panel, so you can equip it with a nice trolling motor, make it a good all-around fishing boat. Got some charging stations up on the top of the console. This boat is just well thought out, well designed, runs great in rough water even though it's a 17-foot boat. It's a very dry ride. It's a good shallow draft boat, good for freshwater fishing, saltwater fishing, family cruising, whatever you want to do with it. Great boat. Come see us here at MarineMax in Houston. I'm Paul. I'll be glad to take care of you.